All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to use this Skill sander. It's a round disc, it's Velcro, catches all the stuff here, and it is a plug-in, so it's super powerful, and that's what you need if you're going to really do a good sanding job. All right, so what we're going to do is sand this whole thing down. We've already done one side of it over here. Let me show you. So that's what we want it to look like, right? So now I'm going to do the other side of this one. And then I've got to take this one all apart, which requires my Ryobi drill, right? And I got to unscrew all this stuff, take it all off. We'll save it in these jars so we don't lose it. And then we're just going to sand probably the tops of these. But yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so anyway, we're going to be using this Skill pressure-controlled sander. And I put these on with like it's Velcro. And so that works pretty good. I think I've got enough to do the rest of this. It catches it over here in this microfiltration thing, so you don't have to breathe it. This is the on and off button. You see that? And then you just go up and down and do it. You try to go with the grain. So that's our first thing that we're going to use. And you can get these on Amazon, of course. All right, I'm using a mask, so, and I use my foot to kind of hold it. And as you can see, that came out pretty good, huh? Not bad. I'm using all my weight on it, so you know, I'm getting good leverage because I've got it down low. Now I got to try to get the sides here. So that's going to be challenging. So I'm going to have to hold it. But let's go ahead and do it, right? I got to go kind of like this. So I got to click it on. All right, I think this may be full and I may have to change it. So what I've got to do is pop this out. I'm going to turn it and then just pull her out of there. Just like that. And then I've got to dump all this stuff out. Okay, so I got to dump all this out. I've got a mask on, an N95 mask. So I'm just banging it and turning it. You can see how much is coming out. But I think we're doing pretty good. We're getting it all out. All right, I think that'll work. Now we can just go back to our regularly scheduled program. So yeah, I'm wearing this mask because I don't want to breathe any of it. Again, this just goes on very simply. See how it's got those little hooks in it? And I just put it on like that, and then it should go right on. So we're ready to go. We can finish our job. I think I got most of, oh, I got to do the inside here. You see that? So let's get that. So anyway, oh, I got to do this side here. I did not get that side. This is the side I definitely got to get because this is facing up. The other side is down, so it's not as crucial. So yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Move that out of the way. And I'll do this side here. Okay, I think we're looking pretty good. I think we did pretty good with this. And yeah, let me set this down. I will probably have to use my hand to sand this part here because this is, you know, I can't get the machine in there, unfortunately, but I think the rest of it looks pretty good. You don't have, we're trying to make it look like a little distressed, but I think that's going to work, don't you? Yeah. All right. We'll put this one back inside. Now you can hear me better because I've got my, yeah. So check it out. So that's what we're going for with this. And now I've got to do this whole thing. What I am going to do though is I'm going to get this hardware off of it so it'll be easier to sand, and we can take each piece off that way. And you can see right here I've got to unscrew here and here to pull this piece off, and I've got to unscrew here, here and there on both sides, and then I can get to the rest of these pieces and sand them down. But yeah, all right, let's do it. All right, let's get back to it, and we're just going to sand this thing all down. Yep. All right, I think I may be getting to the end of this this disc, so I think I might put a new one on, because we got about, you know what I mean? So you just pull it off like that. It's basically Velcro, you see? So let's get a new one. Now we're gonna save this because I may need it, like, you know, for the, if I run out, because I've got about 4 more of these in my package. So what we've got to do is try to get it on there exactly. If you look, you just try to line it up with those holes. You see those holes there? Let me hold it. I'm going to hold it like this. Okay, so now I can find those little holes and get it right on there perfect. Just like that. Bam, done. Now this baby's ready to rock and roll. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Brand new pad. Okay. And we're going to save this one. I'll put it over there for now. And I think this looks pretty good. We'll just give it once over. All right, I think this one's done. What do you guys think? All right, we got to do one of these. Woo! Time for a break. Get a drink of water. Okay, that one's done. One more. Again, I think we need to clean this out because it's packed with stuff. Okay, let's go back and let's get this last board done. You know what I mean, Jelly Beans? Lock her on. Just slide it on like that. Turn it, twist it, and you're ready to go. All right, I'm going to get a new pad. You can see the difference. Pretty big difference, right? So this is Velcroed on, and what I've got to do is pull this one off. It just comes off. Just Velcro, man. It's amazing, isn't it? How it still works. It's just Velcro on there. That gives you an idea. So what I do is usually I just get it between my legs like this, and then I look and I try to find the holes and try to match them up before I get to the Velcro. If I can do that, bam, I got it on perfect. And that's how you do it with this specific sander. All right, let's get to sanding. All right, looks good. Next piece. So this one's going to be a little bit more difficult because it's, you know, it's like, it's just spread out. But let's go ahead and do it. All right, I think we're done now. Woo. Take it inside. And the question is, did I get all of the spots that I wanted to get? Because I just the spots that, you know, the spots that you can see, because you don't have to, you know, you don't have to cover up the stuff that you can't see. But I think that's gonna work. Like, I don't think I needed to do that, but I did it anyway. All right, I think it came out pretty good, don't you? So these they go up and down. Look, they rotate up. And I even did the bottoms of them. They all do that, just like that. And yeah, this thing, it's all ready to go. Now I can take it back to the apartment. I think it looks fantastic. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos. Peace out.